Hey everyone, welcome back. If you forgot your password on the Crypto.com app, here's how to reset it in a few minutes. Open the Crypto.com app and then tap the Forgot Password option. Then enter your registered email address. Open the reset link sent to you on your email. Open your Gmail app. If you don't see the Gmail in the primary in the primary part, then try checking your socials or promotions, or also in your trash or spam. Sometimes it goes in there because it gets glitched. After that, you're going to create a new strong password. Make sure to use cap locks and 8 characters longs. Do not use simple passwords so other ones have access to your privacy and data. Avoid using old or reused passwords as well, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.